Hello friends and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Before we begin today's session, I just want to take a moment to say thank you. Thank you for the incredible response to our UGC NET English Mastery 12 Essential Books for UGC NET English. Friends, your trust means so much to me. Friends, in today's video, we'll deep dive into the key dramatists and their notable works across different eras. Make sure to stay tuned till the end and take notes. Let's get started. Ancient and medieval drama. To understand the evolution of drama, we must begin with the ancient and medieval drama. During this period, morality and mystery plays were the primary forms of drama. These plays were deeply religious and focused on biblical stories, while specific names of playwrights from this time are rare. It's essential to know the historical significance of these early forms of drama. Moving forward, we encounter the age of revival drama. Two key figures from this era are Henry Medwall and John Bale. Medwall was known for his play Fulgin and Lucrece, one of the earliest secular English plays. John Bale, a Protestant reformer, is remembered for his play King Johann, a historical and political drama. Both contributed significantly to shaping the early modern English drama landscape. Now we arrive at the golden age of English drama, the Elizabethan period. This era was dominated by the university wits and, of course, the legendary William Shakespeare. Let's start with the university wits. John Lyly is famous for Endymion, George Peele, The Arrangement of Paris, Thomas Kidd, The Spanish Tragedy, Robert Greene, Friar Bacon and Friar Bungley, Christopher Marlowe, who is known for the iconic Dr. Faustus, A Tale of Ambition, Power and the Tragic Consequence of Greed. Of course, the crown jewel of this period is William Shakespeare, whose works include Hamlet, Macbeth, Othello, A Midsummer Night's Dream and Romeo and Juliet. His understanding of human nature and intricate storytelling have left an indelible mark on world literature. Also worth mentioning are Thomas Nash, Summer's Last Will and Testament, Thomas Heywood, A Woman Killed with the Kindness, and Ben Jonson, a contemporary of Shakespeare known for his satire in Volpone and The Alchemist. In the 18th century, we see a shift in dramatic themes with the Augustan Age. The dramatists of this period were focused on social satire. Notable figures include the Henry Fielding, famous for the Tom Thumb and the Tragedy of Tragedies, Samuel Johnson, who is best known for his critical works, and Oliver Goldsmith, who brought humor to the stage with the She Stoops to Conquer, a comic masterpiece. Friends, if you are looking for a detailed syllabus breakdown including Unit 1 drama and its important dramatists and works, I have got something that will help you. I have written a book titled UGC NET English Unit Drama 1, where I have covered everything you need to know for your preparation. The links are in the description below, so be sure to check it out. The Victorian age saw a renewed interest in drama with a playwright like Henry Arthur Jones, The Silver King, Oscar Wilde, whose witty The Importance of Being Earnest remains one of the most performed comedies, and J.M. Barrie, the creator of Peter Pan. Fast forward to the modern age, where drama became a platform for political and social critique. Key dramatists include George Bernard Shaw, famous for Pygmalion, John Millington Synge, the playboy of the Western world, John Galsworthy Strife, and T.S. Eliot, known for his poetic play Murder in the Cathedral. Finally, we have the postmodern age, where drama becomes more experimental and diverse in its theme. Dramatists like Samuel Beckett, renowned for his existential masterpiece Waiting for Godot. Harold Pinter, famous for The Birthday Party, and Tom Stoppard, whose play Rosencrantz and Guildenstern Are Dead presents a brilliant take on Shakespeare's Hamlet, are key names to remember. And friends, there you have it, a quick overview of the most important dramatists and their work from Unit 1 Drama for UGC NET English. If you want a more detailed list of dramatists and their significant works, or if you are looking for an in-depth breakdown of Unit 1 for UGC NET English, be sure to check out my book. Friends, remember understanding the historical and cultural context of this era. It is the key to mastering this topic. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more UGC NET preparation tips. And also hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. Good luck with your exam preparation, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.